You don't have to flex when you know who God is, and you know who God is. You ain't got to flex at all. Going or you staying? What you doing? Bro, I'm hungry. You hear my car? My car has a flu. My car has a loud flu right now. We're about to go get something to eat. All I know is it's about to be some microwavable food. That's what we. Oh, it's cold. It's too cold. I don't know if it's this jacket, but sis look good. You can't depend on nobody. I asked a friend of mine if she wanted to go to this event so we can get some food. She said, yeah. Where she at? Got me up in Myers. So we're gonna make some home cooked meal. Microwavable. Life is great. Broccoli shredded chicken Alfredo. I like that. It says grown in Idaho, hand cut fries. They sound delicious. Shall we? Is it worth the calories though? Who cares? And there we got it. I'm about to be eating bachelor's food. Oh my god. I'm not myself and I'm hungry. It's a must. Don't say anything because I worked out. Now we weren't in there. You said you didn't want none. And all of a sudden you want some. Learn your lesson. I ain't giving you jet. They're from Idaho. Hand cut fries. Let me see you do it.
How the girl was wearing it, I was thinking, oh, okay, it's like a blazer dress. So I was thinking it's gonna look like a suit. So okay, yeah, cool. Then I went to go look on the website again just to make sure. And I found that the model is 6'5'8". The dress is like here for me. When I was thinking, oh my god, yes. And I'm like, you can wear jeans with it. No, not jeans. No, so I have to do to win.
Or maybe like a skirt, like buy a skirt.
I don't think anything would do. Anything with a blazer.
Is it like a tight? What kind of dress is it?
It's a black, like it's supposed to be like a, like you know, like a suit.
Yeah,
like a dress form. It's supposed
right.
to be a dress form.
But now it's short.
It's short, but it's like you literally open vagina.
Right. So that's why. So you don't think like a black skirt? And then
Yeah, you don't think you can make it like a suit, like white? No, because the material too is very thin. Shit. Have to go back to the fool.
Imagine how many
It's Love Island Day. Usually it's on Sundays, but it's on, what's today's date? Saturday? It's Friday. Today's Friday. It's Love Island Day on Friday. Oh my gosh. We're about to watch Love Island.
Is this for the vlog?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm finally featured. Oh my god. I've been waiting to be featured in a long time. And we're finally here. So we're gonna watch Love Island.
Please just seen Callum being dumped, but that wasn't bad enough.
And you obviously like her, but mate, I think she's really hot and I needed to go speak to her.
Initially looking at you.
The sun will come out tomorrow. Let your bottoms back on down tomorrow. There'll be sun. I don't even think that's the words, but good morning. It is Monday, Veterans Day. What we gonna do on Veterans Day? Everybody's knocked out. I don't know if people went partying this weekend, but this is not the parking lot I'm used to. We are going to go. Oh dang, I forgot my little. Never mind. We're going to go store shopping. I wanted to do this whole thrifting thing, so that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go and check out these thrift stores and see what they have. Veterans Day, there's a rich thrift store that's down about 20 minutes from here where rich people live at. So we're gonna see if they got any good stuff. They open at 10 a.m. and it's 10:18. So I like to be the first one there because it's less hectic. And you might get the good stuff first. You guys, this is ridiculous. I've never been to a thrift store that's like parking lot is full. Like, this is the most traffic I've ever seen at a freaking thrift store, bro. Like, thrift store. Like, it's freaking packed. When I say packed, all these cars are looking for a parking spot and there's none. We found a cart. Y'all, it's crazy out here. We found a cart. I can't even like vlog, so I'm gonna see y'all later because this is too much.
Hi guys, as you guys know, I'm Afi's friend, and today we're doing pictures. We're in a studio booth. So this video thing doesn't go. I can't turn it off. Like, I can't. There's no.
No, it's different.
So I have to like hang out.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
Move that chair.
Move it.
Yeah, move it with
This way.
All right. So apparently, like, I can't reverse the camera. Headphone.
the headphones next to the shoes, please. Next to the shoes, right here. Thank you. Yeah, useful for something. Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
You see? I'm trying to help, but this is what I get.
Where did this come from? Where did this come from? From baby. Well, somebody didn't put on lotion tonight at heaven for them because they're scratching and their ashiness is coming down this dang sky.
Is that me? Because he ain't me, sister.
So I'm in Ulta and I'm trying to figure out where the heck is my setting spray? Because normally here, I guess it's gone. They ran out of it. There it is. Happy girl, happy life. So yeah, I think I wanted to try this foundation. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet, and people are like curling over it, so I might just grab it while I'm here. My skin tone, I'm like, oh yeah, this is thick. So I think we're gonna go with Zaire. I'm gonna try Zaire. If I don't like it, I'm gonna return it. Let's try it. Tara, what did you order? Tara, what did you get? Did you order it online? Happy? Yes. Oh wow, you said my name right. It's the first time.
I like that name though. That's cool.
Thank you. Why is it snowing? Look at this snow. Look at this. We always skip fall. Like, Ohio always skips fall. Like, I don't understand. It's supposed to be fall. It's supposed to be autumn. 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 As English people like to say, autumn. British. It's supposed to be autumn. I just can't.
last about 4 minutes. Like, I can't do it.
Bloody! You bloody hell. Bloody right. It took me about a good 20 minutes to do this plain and simple hairstyle. A freaking ponytail took me a good 20 minutes. So I'm at this conference. It's called the Rice State, well, not really Rice State, but I'm at this conference at Ohio Wesleyan University, which is, I want to say, in Columbus, an hour away. And we're having a study abroad conference for anyone that went overseas. And I'm freezing cold because my dumb self forgot that, you know, a blazer wouldn't be enough. So I'm trying to warm myself back up. Oh my gosh. And we're gonna have fun. We're gonna make friends. That's my goal. Today has been one long day. Now, eating. We have a game. I'm reporting. My face is not done, but I look cute. This food is about, they're about to start this poor reporting without me. I'm telling you this right now. Right now. Right now. I'm such a goal.
Yeah, let's
Play
go.
some basketball. Yeah.
Cool, we're good. There's such a guy. Look at that smile.
Yeah. 1,000! 1,000!
We'll be at the line. One of the better free throw shooters on the Wright State Raider roster has a chance to extend the lead. First free throw, good from Bill Walker.
And that's what we need.
16.
I'm at work, and at this point, I'm ready to go home. And my car last night, the keys wouldn't unlock my door. So my roommate had to come and pick me up from the game. By the way, we lost by 1 point. But my roommate had to come to pick me up from the game and ride home. So today after work, I'm going to go get my keys and see if my door will unlock. We can't leave it on campus because tomorrow is Monday. They give out tickets on Monday. Who's gonna pay for those tickets? Who? Not me. So yeah, we're gonna check it out, and then I gotta go get my nails done. So I can stun y'all. I gotta be ready, you know. You never know when. Well, I gotta have a babe first, but you never know when you're gonna get proposed. You gotta keep the fingers smooth and no, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done. Actually, I'm getting it done because we're going to North Carolina on Friday. We gotta be prepared. And I'm weighing myself, guys. I don't know if it's gaining muscle or I'm just gaining my weight back. I think it's muscle because that weight scale kind of scared me for a minute. It's kind of scared me. I look like Wallow. Beep, 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 Wallow. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to work. I think it's time to go back. Getting my nails done. Look at this. So my nail trip is always a wow. This is my first time coming to this nail. I don't even remember the name of it. Something nails. And the person that was doing my nail was talking too damn much. Asking too many questions. And of course, every question, before they start asking more questions, they gotta know if you got a boyfriend. Today I brought out my alter ego and I told him my name was Elizabeth. I have a boyfriend. My major is biology, and I study at Wright State. I'm planning to be a surgeon. Like, I just gave up my whole entire... Let's just go home, okay? Let's just go home. Ooh, I wanna be close to you. Ooh, my butt crack's showing. To you, 'cause that's all I wanna be, too close to you. So I just got back home and I went to Five and Below to get this thing right here. This right here. I got my nails did. Yeah, so we went to go get this thing right here. Yes, this right here. And then I also grabbed some things, you know. I got some things that's coming, you know, it's coming at a beauty supply store called Sally's Beauty. Yay! My goal wasn't to buy anything. I'm actually pretty like determined on saving, but we had to invest, you know. We had to invest in our dreams and goals and all that. We had to invest. And I'm about to straighten my hair, so this video is about to be interesting. So we went all in this collection right here, and it seems like it's a good collection. So products, everything, and the total for all of this is actually $39. I thought it was 32. Ain't no biggie. Ain't no biggie. When it comes to dreams, ain't no biggie, you know? Ain't no biggie. So yeah, overall, it was a good day. I enjoyed today. I hope you did too. I'm about to go and put this on my bathroom, whatever you call it, bathroom mirror, because that's where I'm gonna be doing most of my hair videos. I don't like using my my actual camera in the bathroom. Something about moving equipments that makes me kind of exhausted. I get exhausted when I move equipments, okay? So, and plus I edit off of my phone, so it's easier if I just record certain videos on my phone, because I can just go straight to iMovie and instead of connecting to Wi-Fi on my camera and then waiting for it to download. It's too much. But for this video, I am going to be using it on my phone. Well, I'm going to be filming it on my phone because it's one of those quick and dip videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Well, you're not going to watch it now, but enjoy the rest of your night. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I just can't. I just can't, you know? Have a good night, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.